Yeah, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, from wherever you're watching. Well, there's a viral video going about Bishop Ojedikbo, Bishop David Ojedikbo of Winners Church, about his pastors. One of the pastors who came out and said he was fired for not meeting up to targets. I want to say this, that without insulting anybody, a pastor employed you because it is called employed. You say you are called, you are a man of God. God called you. The pastor paid 1 year house rent for you. Paid for her for you 1 year. I was even paying you 40,000 every month. Give you equipment, sound. We all know Winners now. It's not like our own, whereby you go and invite people to come. And there are members allocated to you from that region. And you preached in that place for 1 year, close to 1 year. And you could not bless any member in that branch. You are not qualified to be a branch pastor. Go and be assistant branch pastor. So those of you insulting Ojedikbo, can you employ somebody and pay 1 year asset for the person? Can you? And be paid? See, let me tell you something. When we are coming up, we didn't see weapons to pay 6 months or 1 year for us. When we pastor church, we didn't see. You face it yourself. Does the pastor want Ojedikbo to not be bringing money from other branch to take care of his expenses? Or do you people think it's only the man they are paying in that church? You pay keyboardists. Some keyboardists collect 5,000, 10,000. It's not free. Drummer will collect his own. Sound engineer will collect his own. Some musical director and other payments. If you don't pay them, they don't hear speaking in tongues. Rabadabadaba, you tell them go. They don't hear them. You go pay. And they pay my keyboardist. And they pay my drummer. And they pay my resident pastor. You will not tell me anything. Church involve money. If you as a pastor, you know your responsibility, you pray for God to bless your member so that your member can make you meet up to target. He's not going there and sit there and be waiting. May who come help you pay church rent. He has failed, he has failed. What I will advise Ojedikbo, they should not dismiss him. They should send it to one of the branch to be assisting any pastor. Into a sick come and one see the giver inside made the leak hand. You understand? But for the pastor to not come out, it does not make sense. And those of you who are busy carrying it, Ojedikbo do this, Ojedikbo do that, people like Kunana make that pastor not meet to target. Because I say, I know they come and go church, I know they go church, I know they pay offering, I know they do this one. Because when you no pay offering, I think want me the pastor to meet up to target. You don't know say that pastor did they pay for your house rent? Like you will not open a business center. You pay your worker 30,000 naira every month. And your worker does not meet up to that 30,000 naira every month. You still be happy to put that worker there. The land does not belong to Ojedikbo. Generator does not belong to Ojedikbo. Fuel does not belong to Ojedikbo. What again? NEPA bill does not belong to Ojedikbo. So because the pastor now is not meeting up, Ojedikbo should not stay there and tell the pastor, say, if they can't draw house rent, if they bring light bill, speak in tongues, give them. No! Let's call a spade a spade. The pastor did not meet up. As a pastor, he failed. You stop using it as a target. There's nothing like targets. Pray for your member. Let God bless them. When God bless them, they will bless you and bless the church. What's target there? Why go out the noise? Why attacking Ojedikbo? People know what it takes to run a church. I'm not saying that maybe they are not making money or whatsoever. But when a church that has been given to you, you should thank your God. Because there are some people who I will pray for, who will pay 2 months for them and give them all. Even as I talk to you now, that one way that pastor live now. You know how many pastors don't they die put? May they go enter there. May they manifest power. May they manifest glory. If you are not called, go sit down. Be branch pastor. So the school teacher. The problem we are having is that everyone want to be branch pastor, general overseer, branch pastor. If you not come meet up, you're gonna blame who they fight you. If that church was to be given to that young man as his own church, at month end, if he pay house rent, he go dey happy. Or maybe the landlord of the house where they stay, if he pay, or for another generator, or if they pay workers inside church. Do you think that church will go? The church will crumble. So before the church of Christ will fall, God, find your way. If you want to be member first. You are not what you say, because you signed to deliver your agreement. You say you are a pastor. You can pastor a church and bless member. Maybe your member, they are not blessed. Yes, now. Yes, because if your members, they were blessed, they will come out and fight for you and say, this man is not going anywhere. He has been a blessing to us. Waiting. I bet I did Abuja. I don't want problem. As I did Abuja, so I don't want problem. No want problem. Mona leave Oyedipo. Mona face that pastor. When if we meet up. Nothing meet up. We see who do for us like that. We see who do for us like that. Now we suffer for many years. We not see. We not see. Now. I don't call make my pack of the verse for me for Abuja. Say I just start thinking. Man, let's get out. You know, if it deliver, may get out. If it deliver, may go join on the school. You want to frustrate general overseer. If I tell them my story, then I go no say some branch pastor when they try. You put them there, they'll go there, go to play because month end salary they come. They're not going to even say me they pray fast. May God bless member. As me there like this now, I call they lose guard. Call they lose guard. I need to pray, may God bless my member. Because if God not bless my member, even though say I curse it, they don't go come out. Now member where get now go give. Not be your member stingy. I'm not praying for my member to be blessed. I'm not doing anything to make sure God bless them or testimony or whatsoever. The church that was given to you was 100 member, and the pastor came there and he saw 5 member. He should leave you there. Get out.